supposed to manage my infallible beliefs while I'm sucking it to you, performing in Spanish on Italian TV. Sometime in the future, whilst wondering if your mother still ever thinks of me. Hallelujah, blank canvases lent against gallery walls, flowing towards sculptures of anything goes on the marble stairs. Is that vague sense of longing kinda trying to cause a scene? Guess I'm talking to you now, puncturing your bubble of relatability with your horrible new sound. Baby, those mixed messages ain't what they used to be. When you said them out loud, blank canvases lent against gallery walls, flowing towards sculptures of anything goes on the marble stairs, leading to almost wherever you want them to. The simulation cartridge for City Life 09 is pretty tricky to come by. Village coffee mornings with not long since retired spies. Now that's my idea of a good time. Flash that angle, grind a smile, gasp and roll your eyes and help me to get untied from the chandelier.